Okay, so I know that videos of a computer screen are not the best, so I'll try to make this short. First of all, it's a secure site, as you can tell, HTTPS, okay? And this is what it looks like. From beauty, nutrition, and leggings to cooking, cleaning, and making money online. Let me show you how. I'll just give you a quick preview of my pages here, if I can do this through the screen. This is my home page. Tells you a little bit about my website. Everybody's looking for their piece of the puzzle. Mama always said, Daddy followed up with, you just want to shop. My YouTube video, everything has a link, what inspires me. I choose to make the rest of my life the best of my life by Louise Hay. And you come back up here. We go to This Is Me. There's only 2 days in the year that nothing can be done. One is called yesterday, the other is called tomorrow. So today is the right day to love, believe, do, and mostly live by the Dalai Lama. Talks about my vision, our history. There's a picture of me. Meet the team. Best team ever, my guy. Co-founder, awesome guy, Patrick W. Heller. One of our chief cooks and bottle washers, Makushla. And there's our other chief cook and bottle washer, Michaelin. Talks about more info. I'm scrolling back to the top. You see that our little social media icons scroll right with you, and this has a really good visibility on a phone. I was really impressed with how it works. Here's what I have to offer. It's kind of a wide page, but this is leggings, shirts, there's some skirts and dresses a lot of times. Over here is a video for making, a free video to make money online. Over here is another leggings, shirts, skirts website. And over here is makeup, skincare, nutrition. And you can become consultants on all three of these, okay? So, and more information, of course. So, all three of those, or all four of those have links. Everything's got a link. And if you just want to reach out to me, you click. Or you can email me with a message right there. Okay. And right here's my blog. You are more awesome, more than awesome, girl. You're amazing. Chatting with Mama Janet. And click over here to read it. There's my first blog post. A little bit to tell you. It's mainly just talking about me and what I'm going to tell you about in my further blog posts. And I think I put some pictures up. Let's look. Oh yeah, some makeup, skincare, and nutrition pictures. Nothing else. Just to get us started. Okay, and all of the links up here at the top all have something attached to them. They give you a link to someplace. Okay, so everything works. I haven't checked the search bar. Sorry, I don't know that everything works. That's the one thing I forgot to check. So, if you're interested in finding out more, you can click on the social media. You can go to my social media. I'll be sharing this video on most of my social media. It'll start off on YouTube and go from there. And please absolutely search for me on the internet, janetmchugh.com. I really appreciate it. I put a lot of hard work into this, and Patrick helped me immensely. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you soon on my home sweet home. Okay? Have a blessed night, and thank you very much. And once again, don't forget, it's a very easy website to remember, janetmchugh.com. Of course, you can type in https://janetmchugh.com, or you can just type in janetmchugh.com. You do not need to put www in front of that, just my name and .com, And as always, I am your hostess, the with the mostest, Janet McHugh. Thank you and have a wonderful night. And I hope to hear from you very soon on my website, on any of the social medias, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Google+. Again, thank you. Have a blessed night. Namaste.